Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing any unsaved data and confirming the device model and OS so you know which sequence to follow. Once done, remove external storage and peripherals that might trigger safe mode. Now use the power menu, press and hold power, then tap restart or power off and start normally. If the system boots normally, you're done. If it returns to safe mode, proceed to targeted button or settings methods because a deeper intervention is required. Once you're in the troubleshooting phase, focus on common triggers. You should uninstall any app installed just before the issue because a faulty app can force safe mode. Next, examine physical buttons, volume or power. Since a stuck key often boots the device into safe mode, gently clean or unstick them. Then open Settings, go to System or About, find Safe Mode options, or use Restart to exit. If an option exists to toggle safe mode off, use it and then reboot normally to confirm. You finish by rebooting into normal mode and verifying that apps, notifications, and connectivity behave correctly. If safe mode persists despite removing apps and freeing buttons, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This clears system settings and installed apps that may cause the issue. If the problem still returns, suspect hardware, stuck buttons, or motherboard faults, and make sure to check, clean, or replace the offending button, or take the device to a repair shop for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.